So in today's video, I'll be sharing how to make up to $10 selling your old study notes. Yes, the types of documents that can be sold on the site are your class or lecture note, practice problems notes, practice quiz, old exam study guides, old homework used as a reference. This is a very cool way of making cash. Yes, making money passively, which you know I am all about. So if it sounds like something interesting to you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike Apolabomi. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Join our team today by smashing that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing how you can make up to $10 selling your old study documents. Yes, and the name of the site is Study Pool. Yes, Study Pool. Study Pool has two packages. The first one is registering as a tutor online by teaching people. Yes, and the second one, which is selling your documents. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be sharing with you how to earn by selling your old documents. Yes, sounds interesting, right? The types of documents that can be sold on the site are your class or lecture notes, your practice problem notes, practice quizzes, old exam study guide, past question papers, and old homework used as a reference. These old study notes can be typed or handwritten. Yes, any of the two is fine. Any language is accepted, not necessarily has to be in English. Yes, any language is accepted. It could be any subject at all, from traditional school topics to English to economics to science or other niche subjects such as astrophysics, fashion designing. Yes, very like this sounds cool. I am so excited sharing this with you all. Another good thing about the site is that your old study notes can be sold many times. Yes, as much as possible. So let me share how this works with you. The first thing is to upload your documents, which could be your old study notes, your past questions, old examination study guide, your class or lecture notes. Yes, any of those documents, you upload them on Study Pool. The second step is to wait for approval. Yes, for quality purposes, the site is going to review your works. Approval timeline is within 2 to 24 hours. Your documents needs to be reviewed for quality purposes. After approval, your document, your old study note, is now ready to be viewed and bought by students. Yes, for every time your old study note is being sold, you earn up to $10. You earn up to $10 whenever your study note is being sold. A single study note can be sold many times, and you earn anytime your old study note is being sold. Yes, for every time your study note is being sold, you always earn up to $10. If you're a student, you're a teacher, you're an alumni, maybe you recently graduated and you have access to your old study notes, your past questions, your study guide, it is time to start earning. Yes, it is time to start earning whenever you sell any of those study notes. Right now, go back to your study area and go and look for your old study notes, your past questions, your examination study guides. Bring them on. Yes, bring them on. You can now earn selling your old study documents. This is open to any part of the world, Nigeria, any part of the world. Internationally, it is being open. Methods for receiving payment from Study Pool are PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWire, Western Union, bank deposit, checks, and M-Pesa. So if you're a Nigerian and you don't know how to open a PayPal, or you're having issues opening a working PayPal in Nigeria, I have a video on that already, on how to open a working PayPal account in Nigeria. I'll link that video right up here, so you have no excuse. Yes, you have no excuse. It is time to start earning, selling your old study documents.
I would be showing you what my screen looks like. So here is the site, Study Pool site. On it you can see sell document, earn free unlocks, my uploads. So this is actually where you earn by selling your study documents. And here we have the top earners. Here's our top contributors. Here are the list of those who had top contributors on the site on Study Pool. Go to documents, you can upload. The first one, you can upload old quizzes or tests. Yes, any of your old quizzes, questions, you can always upload them. Your old assignments, it is time to start uploading them. Your class notes, your old lectures class notes, your multi-language content, go ahead and upload to start earning on Study Pool.
Let us click on my uploads to see what we have there. So it's loading. Okay, so here's what we have. Look at the notes there. The quality and relevance of documents directly affects the number of sales. Yes, that's very important. Only documents uploaded through the sell document feature are tracked under my uploads. Only unlock from paid subscriptions will be paid. Yes, not the ones from free unlock. But for this page, we have 249 documents approved. One was declined. So you don't even think that you just come here and upload any kind of document and will be approved. No, they always go through quality checks. And for all those documents, the 249 documents uploaded, $596 has been made. Yes, $596. So just imagine, if you upload, the higher you upload, the higher your chances of earning more.
Get your own study notes ready, your past questions, your examination study guide. Get them ready and upload them to Study Pool. For each old study note you sell, you tend to earn up to $10. It is time to start making money. Yes, please go and get all your old study notes ready and start earning on Study Pool. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you're already earning on Study Pool, please share your experience with us in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and smash the subscribe button to join the team today. If you need a guidance and mentorship section with me, I offer such service. You can click the link in my description box or comment section to book a section with me. Let's do something great together. Catch you in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all, and there is nothing you can do about it.